Good morning everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to do a Dutch pour and I'm going to be reusing a canvas. So money saving tip for acrylic pouring: reuse canvases that you don't like, pour over them. So come along and join me. Let's create a beautiful painting on this rainy Saturday morning. Come and join me. So before we get started, I just want to show you, these are the two. This is the diptych that we did last weekend. It's now dry and they both turned out really pretty. Beautiful coloring in them. Love the colors in them. Love that purple. And yeah, they turned out really very pretty. So these two are going to be photographed today and put in my Etsy shop, so they'll be available to buy. Yeah, I think they're very pretty. And then this is the other painting we did. I'm not in love with it. We're going to paint over this today. We're going to do a Dutch pour over this painting today. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite. So just paint over it. It's still taped up and everything from when we did the pour, so don't need to do any of that again. So I'm going to mix up some paints quickly and then we're going to come back and paint over this canvas. Right, I'm back. Just putting my gloves on. I've mixed up some paints. I've watered them all down and we are going to be again using my little mini blower to blow it all out. Okay, let's get started. So I've mixed up over here. Oh, and look at me, look how fancy. I've got little mixing sticks now. Look at that. So I've got a very light blue here that I've watered down, and we're going to put a puddle of this right in the middle like that. Okay, and then into that I am going to put some neon orange, and might as well just get all of it like that. Ugh. And then into that I'm going to put some of this beautiful green. I'll just swirl that around a little bit. And then into that I'm going to put neon yellow. So this looks like it could be quite colorful. Okay. That's that. Okay, now we're going to just blow this out. Can you see it? Yes, you can. Right, let's go. I wonder, I'm getting a strange idea in my head. I'm going to put, this is the this is that swipe mix, which is the two paints, the Amsterdam paint and the normal paint that I swipe with. I'm just going to put a little bit of that just to, you know, just to break the brightness of all of that. Okay, let's go. So when you've got it to how you like it, then you just go around and make sure that all your sides are completely covered with paint, and you just dab it on and it'll run down. It's fine. That is perfect. There we go. Oh, I like that. Okay, so let me take my gloves off, and then I'm just going to hit it quick with a heat gun. So what is very weird is I've got cells that have popped up here, which makes me think that somewhere along the line in a previous pour, some silicone got mixed in with one of my paints. And of course I don't know which one, but I like it. It's given it a different effect. I like that. So I'm going to just move this out the way, and then I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Hold on a sec. So there it is. It's really not bad. Let me bring you in closer. I hope you can see it. Let me... There. Look at those cute cells that have popped up. I mean, cells on a Dutch pour, I mean, that's adorable. Look at them. Look at that. I think it just gives it a whole different look and a whole different, you know, the painting's got character, but pretty colouring. The middle I like, with some cells. Pretty colouring around there, some more cells. It's just, it's so weird with the cells that have popped through, but I really like it. Really, really do. So there we go. I think it's so cute. I love it. So there we go, everyone. Painting done. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will be back tomorrow for another painting, so be sure to look out for that one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider doing so. It doesn't cost you a thing. And then hit the notification bell so you don't miss my videos. I do post 2 videos every week, one on Saturday, one on Sunday, and yeah, lots to come, many more paintings to do. So join me and let's create some beautiful art together. So that's it, everyone. I shall see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.